In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix lag in Google Chrome browser easy and fast. So we have three ways that I'm gonna show you. The first way is that you should go to the top corner right here and go to more tools and then go to clear browsing data and clear all the data and then try it again. If it works, that's good. If it's not, then let's go to the second way. The second way is go here, scroll down to settings, go to system and disable the hardware acceleration from here and click relaunch. This is the second way. The third way is that you have to go here, go more tools and go to extensions. Now make sure to disable all the extensions that you don't need. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the very end.